Top connectors. Firstly, to begin with, at the outset. Secondly, in addition. What's more. Thirdly, furthermore. To top it off. Finally, in conclusion, at long last. For example, to illustrate, for instance, because, owing to, on account of. But, nevertheless, on the contrary, and additionally, along with that. So, therefore, as a result, after, thereafter, following that, before, prior to, in advance of, if, in the event that, as long as, then, thereafter, afterward, like, such as, comparable to, therefore, hence, as a consequence, instead, alternatively, as opposed to, in conclusion, all in all, in summary. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video.